To, magandang laban to. Puruktos versus Puruktres Junior. Wala pa yata talo ang Puruktres. Tantos yata eh, isa yata o dalawa. Agad ni Jekoy.
Number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 1, number 23. Number 5. They're the ball. Pass again to number 77. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 20.
Outside.
Number 1. Setting up the 8. Pass to number 8. Back to number 1.
Good.
Number 1. Pass to number 30. Now stealing number 26. Number 26. Right. Wala. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 20. Number 8. Number 8, diretso, pass to number 30, wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 26, pass to number 23, right.
Galagad ka dyan, laki niyan.
It's a foul. First row, basket, second row, wala. Offensive rebound by number 77, basket. By number 77. Official score 5-0 in favor of Puruktres. Number 8 pass, wala. Rebound by number 26, pass to number 77. Number 77, drives again.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Number 1, pass. 3 points by number 1. Number 26, pass to number 5, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5 is clean to number 7. Pass to number 30 to number 8. Number 8 drives, pass to number 22. To number 30, basket. Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Official score all 5. Number 5, pass to number 77, pass, wala. Offensive rebound number 20, wala. Offensive rebound, basket for number 5. Number 1, pass to number 8, penetrating number 1. Number 1, drives, pick up pass to number 8, fakes, fires, wala. Offensive rebound number 7, wala. Number 30, fake shot, wala. Number 20, gets the rebound, diretso, basket. Official score 9-5 in favor of Puruktres. Number 1, wala. Rebound by number 23.
Don Cyrus.
Number 77. The rise, foul. Number 5, pass.
Kung 1 na naman tayo, shoot yun. Hanggang 1 na naman ka lang pala, Miko eh. Gamitin mo yung ginamit mo sa akin, nag-1 na naman tayo. Magpaulang ka na, Tres.
Pass to number 8 and number 22. Number 22, pass to number 1. Number 1, nice shot. Pass break play to number 26. Second right basket. Official score 11-5 in favor of Puruktres. Number 1. The rise pass to number 22.
Shout out kay Raymar Casmanelli. Oh!
Number 5 setting up play. Pass to number 77. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 26. Step up. Fires. Wala.
Nakalaban din nga pala sa natalo Takbo! Anim na ang kalamangan ng Purok 3.
Setting up play. Pass number 23. Basket.
Play nun ah.
Number 5, setting up play. Pass number 77. Pass number 26. Number 5. Fires. Wala. Rebound number 22. Number 1 is still by number 5. Number 5. Basket.
Abot ang board eh.
Official score 59 in favor of Purok 3. Number 1 cleared out. Basket.
Oh! Nanagasa ng bata. Nasaktan. Saan yung bata? Tamaan sa ulo. Iyak ang bata. Nagpayak pa si Riel. Kung talaga Riel, pinapayak ang mga bata. Ayun.
Yung mga bata daw po sa ilalim ng ring.
Nalagan si Nene. Kawawa naman.
Number 8, natapigan ng kuha nila ito ang 3. Number 23. Foul. Number 26, pass number 23. Number 26. Foul. Foul. Remaining time for number 77. Bombs. Tumira. Basket. Three minutes and 45 seconds. Number 1. Pass number 8. Pass number 30. Wala. Na-rebound na number 26. Hawali number 30.
Apa?
Wala. Rebound na number 20. Number 20. Diretso. Wala. Na-rebound na number 7. Pass number 1. Number 1. Pass number 30. Basket. Running time 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 19-13, number 77. Now number 6, number 8, pass to number 1, basket. Again, substitution. Babasag lang ang kalamangan ng Purok 3.
Papasok na si Ivan Manalo. Sino kaya ang papalitan ito? Si Ron ang papalitan ito.
Iwakaya para number 23. There's a foul. Foul.
Ha? Ha?
Number 8, basket. Easy to remaining time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 21-70. Number 6, pass number 5, number 77. The number 20 fakes. And foul penalty.
Pasok si Ron Ayos. Labas si Kalamski.
First throw, basket. Second throw, wala. Number 8, the dribbling double. Pass number 4. Number 4. Save. Nakuha number 8. Basket.
Nipilit. Pumasok pa rin.
Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 5 setting up play. Pass number 77. Wala. Nakuha number 22. Pass number 1. Number 1 to right. Block. Naluwa na din. Wala. Number 23. Diretso. Nakuha number 20. Number 7, pass number 1 to number 8. Number 8, pinaluwa. Foul.
Ulang ang puta yung isa race.
Bulon niya.
Tama daw, dalawang run.
First row. Basket.
Good trip sa River Cup. Good trip.
Second row. Basket again para kay number 8. Remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 6 setting up play. Pass to number 77. Pass to number 20. Wala. Nakuha ni number 20 the offensive rebound. Basket. 55 seconds. Number 8, teardrop, wala. Offensive rebound. Pass to number 7. Basket.
Si jumper lang.
Bala sa isa ang
40 seconds.
Number 3, 35 seconds. Remaining time, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 16, wala. Offensive rebound number 23. Basket.
It's the very big
25 seconds. Number
Panagsagan.
1, pass number 4. Basket. Balik ulit sa isang kalaban. 15 seconds sa remaining time.
Basket ni Onyok.
Number 77, 10 seconds sa remaining time. Receive by number 8.
Counted.
Foul.
Play!
Warning for penalty.
Corner! Corner! Center play!
Warning. 6.4 seconds. Number 1 drives pass to number 7.
Balik ka dyan. Laki
2
niya din.
seconds.
Ay, wala. Inabot sa kamay. Not counted.
Not counted.
Inabot sa kamay.
Setting up play. Pass to number 4. Teardrop. Basket.
Lamang na, Dos.
Isang purdos.
Second quarter na, second quarter.
Number 6 setting up play. Pass to number 77. Pass to number 16. Wala. Naribang number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1 diretso. Number 8. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8 pass to number 4. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8 fouls. And there's a foul. Wala pa din. Basket. Number 6 pass to number 77. Pinagay number 6 bars. Wala. Naribang ni number 1. Ito na si number 1. Diretso. Wala. Putback. Basket by number 8. Number 6 pass to number 77. Bars. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni number 8. Diretso. Behind the back. Pass to number 4. Pinagay kay number 8. Fakes. Jump. Basket.
Ganda ngayon laro ng Dos.
Sana progress. 32-26. 23 fakes. Wala. Offensive rebound. Basket.
Injury yung isa. Sakit. Sakit nun. Hindi, yung paa yata. Paa. Sakit to.
Napatikul.
Kaya, nilalakad oh. Okay lang yan, nakangiti eh oh. Okay lang yan.
Number 1 pass to number 4. Number 4 bars. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Number 20 diretso. Sinusaw. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pull up jumper. Basket.
Hindi na pinahirapan ang sarili. Umisi jumper na lang.
Number 6 setting up play. Number 16. Wala. Rebound by number 30.
Tingala kasi rin kaya niluluwa. Shoot na dapat yun.
Number 8, Jones, basket.
Time out.
Time out, Tres. Basket number 77, pull up jumper. Wala.
Alat ang tres, niluluwa ang mga tira. Karta shoot na, lumalabas pa.
Pass to number 1, fire. Wala. Na-rebound to number 23. Foul. Attack substitution. Basket. Second row. Basket again. Number 4 drives. Wala. Na-rebound number 8 in offensive rebound. Number 8 setting up play 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 4 fires. Wala. Rebound by number 77. Umbigot. Number 77 diretso. Basket.
Napit na ni Jekoy.
6 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 1 setting up play 15 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Number 4 fires. Wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 8 fires. Basket.
Matik na.
Official score 38-32, 6 points lead para sa Purokdos. Number 5, pass to number 77. Number 77, Umbigot, sumumot, basket. Number 1, dribbling the ball, pass to number 8. Number 8, 15 seconds to shoot, pass to number 7, pull up jumper, wala. Number 5, teardrop, wala. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, diretso, Blades, pass to number 1, basket. Attack substitution. Number 26, set up play. Pass to number 18, bringing number 26, fires. Wala. Na-rebound to number 7. Number 1, setting up play. Pass to number 8, 15 seconds to shoot.
Grabe,
Number 4, drives. Block. Number 26, pass to number 20. Basket. Official score 40-36 in favor of Purokdos. Number 1. Diretso, pass to number 7. Fires. Wala. Number 8, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, fires. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 23. Pass to number 20. Remaining time 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 1, pass to number 8. Number 8. Tumilig, pass to number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 23. Number 5, diretso.
Pinasa sa wala.
Number 1, setting up play, pass to number 8. Number 22, pass to number 1, fires. Wala. Na-rebound to number 22. Number 8, fires. So there's a foul. Foul. Basket again. Basket again and again. Official score 43-36 in favor of Purokdos. Number 77. Stars, wala. Nakuha ni number 8. Here comes number 8. Out. Number 77. Number 23, Bars, basket.
May inangasan.
Number 7. Nakuha rin number 77. Pass number 26. Nice set. Wala. Nakuha rin number 8. Number 8. Behind the
Juan,
back.
pag-shoot lupit. Sana.
Offensive rebound by number 8. There's a foul. Nice steal. Here comes number 26. Lays it up. Basket. Official score 43-40. Baba sa tatlong kalabangan. Number 7, Bars. Wala. Narito number 77. Pass break play to number 20. Basket pass.
Wow! Gumawan, kabila, balik tayo, tera. Adjust! Wala!
Number 20. Wala. Number 8, Bars. 70
Sige si Bonoy.
points.
Nagbuhos pa yan daw. Nagbuhos ang slab. Dahilan. Bago ngayon na nagpapaulan ng shoot.
Number 77, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 77, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26, pass, 30 points. Babak sa isa ang kalamangan ng Purukdos, 45 seconds. Wala, nakuha ni number 23, 40 seconds remaining time. Number 5, setting up play, pass to number 26, 15 seconds to shoot, pass to number 20, basket.
Naawa. Buenas, Lumatic. Baka buzzer beater. Time out pala, time out.
3 points para kay number 8.
Gamit.
15 seconds, Bars, wala.
Gamit sa backfield.
Nice steal.
Nagawa.
Basket.
Bumawi.
5 seconds. Number 8, Bars.
Galing.
Basket.
Sir, nakita pa ni Bonoy yun. Naisip mo pa yung Bonoy. Lupit mo. Third quarter.
Pass number 5. Number 26, Bars. Wala. And there's a foul. First throw. Bas. Second throw. Wala. Narigaw ni number 20. Wala. Offensive rebound number 5. Wala. Number 20 again. Nakakuha ni number 26 with the offensive rebound. Number 77, pull-up jumper. Basket. Change favor. Lamang na ng isa ang purok tres.
Ginauna si Bonoy.
15 seconds to shoot. Basket para kay number 1. Change favor again. Balik sa Purokdos ang kalaban, number 77. Nakakuha ni number 8, pass to number 1, lays it up, basket. Lobos sa tatlo ang kalaban ng Purokdos, number 20. Pass to number 77, 10 seconds to shoot, pull-up jumper. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 30. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Nice steal na number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Pass to number 5. Basket.
Kumakamata si Miko.
Number 1, the dribbling double. Setting up lady. Number 1. Behind the back. Lumusot sa gitna. Wala. Na-rebound number 23. Pass to number 77. Number 77. The rise. Block. Nagawa ni number 8.
Nawala. Hindi nakita na referee. Ayun, nakashoot tuloy. Hindi nakita na referee, tumama na sa bato. Bago nakatutok pa yung pasa ko rin.
Number 5. Pass number 26. Bars. Wala. Na-rebound number 8. Number 8. Diretso. Pull-up jumper. Wala.
Kanya pa rin.
Blue ball. Number 5. Team drop. Basket.
Best player yata si Miko pag nanalo.
Number 1 setting up play. 15 to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 30.
Paulo.
Wala.
Nakita tinamig sa braso.
Number 20, diretso. Block. Number 1, diretso. Pass to number 8. Number 1, pass to number 28. Pass. Airball. Dalawa ni number 8, Dibra. Wala. Number 23. Pass to number 20, Fakes. Wala. Number 23. Wala pa din. Maribay number 28.
Kinikilig ka na, ano?
Number 1, receive the ball.
Dikit ang laban.
Number 1, setting up play.
Isa lang ang lamang ng dos.
Advanced substitution, number
Kal,
30.
target mo.
Drive.
Tama rin.
Number 77. Number 77. Diretso. Side step, pass number 5. Wala. Okay, number 77. Drives. Basket. James Babel lamang na ng isang progress. Number 1, setting up play, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, diretso, pass to number 28. Wala. Nagawa ni number 30. Tumira. Basket.
Basket din si Kalamski. Dikit ang laban, palitan.
Advanced substitution.
Nung nakaraan yung tinektikal yung ganyan eh.
Pass number 23. Pass. Wala. Rebound number 13. Number 8. Diretso.
Foul.
Foul. 2 shots. Para kay number 8. Wala.
Shout out kay Adrian.
Last throw. Basket. Number 6, the dribbling double. Setting up the pass to Herrera. 15 seconds to shoot. Manalo to rise. Foul. Basket. Second point. Basket again. Number 1 receive the ball. Pass number 8. Number 8 diretso.
Bono yun. Sige yo. Black. May ano dyan.
Pass number 23. Full counts number 20. Basket. Larangan ng dalawa. Ang purok ball. Ang purok press. And there's a foul. Foul number 6.
Butata si Kalamski.
Number 1, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, pinasa sa 4 fouls. Wala. Rebound number 22, pass to number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 1 receive the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Illegal screen.
Offensive foul.
Kita-kita.
Foul number 6. Here comes Manalo. Pass number 23. Pass number 16. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 6 to wide. Number 1 setting up play. Fires. 30 points.
Laban talaga, oh. Dikitan lang, oh. Hindi nagkakatambakan eh. Match na match eh.
Manalo setting up play. Pass to Herrera.
Mawe!
Fires.
Sayang yun na sana nung mawe. Blocking foul.
And there's a foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. 1 for penalty.
Una si Bruno hindi Jape.
Drive. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Delivery number 1. Fakes. Pull up cover. Wala. Na-rebound to number 23. Pass to number 6. Manalo. Pass to number 77. Pull up cover. Basket.
Tatlo na, lamang ng tres. Nawala ng katandem si Riel. Tinao na si Bonoy, oh.
Number 1 setting up
Nasira,
play.
laro ni Bonoy.
Fires.
Uy, ano?
Rebound to
Sana
number
yun, oh.
16.
Kung yun na hindi tingala, shoot tayo.
Nice to number 22. Atrás number 8. Diretto. Crossover moves. Nabitawan ang mga nambay. Naiwan na number 20. Number 30.
Puta ka naman si Kalamay.
Number 77. Pass to play to Manalo. Wala. Offensive rebound. Opiak. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 66. Here comes number 1. Pass to number 22. Fires. Wala. Rebound to number 22. Pass to play to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. Manalo. Pass to number 16. To Rise. Wala. Nakuha ni number 30. Pass to number 1. Here comes
Bilis.
number 1.
Kid Lightning. 2 seconds lang yata tinakbo.
Number 6.
Puti
Here
na yan.
comes the foul. Ben.
Rambong yung pagkakuha sa
Basket. Official
Tabla,
score
tabla.
all 66. 1 minute and 10 seconds of the third quarter. Number 5 setting up play. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 16. Binalik kay number 8. Pass to number 77. Fires. Wala. Na-rebound to number 8. Number 8. Laban kay number 8. Number 8, moving isolation play, pass to number 7, 10 seconds to shoot, number 22.
Foul.
And there's a foul.
Labanan ka.
First throw. Wala.
Oh? Anong oras?
5:30 na kami natapos.
Wala nga, trabaho pa.
Nung, alam mo yung, ihatid ko na si Miko, di ba?
Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, pass to number 77.
Hindi ba sinakakanaman?
Twice, binalik number 5. Basket.
Hindi sinakanaman ang
30 seconds to the remaining time, 30. Pinasa kay number 7.
Foul.
And there's a foul. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Wala. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 5 pass to number 16. Number 16 pinagay number 5. 10 seconds remaining time. Bulat Guatemala. Na-rebound din na number 77. 4 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 23. End of the third quarter.
End of third quarter na pala yun.
Number 1 setting up play. Number 1 pass. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 23. Pass to number 20. Kakaalaman natin sino mga guwawagi. Number 26, pass number 5, pinagay number 26. Drives, wala. Nakuha nino. Ni number 8, wala pa si Viva. Kumage, basket.
Deng, mautak.
What a pick. Number 1, drives, pass number 30.
Mautak si Kalaban. May foul.
Pass number 8. Foul. And 1. Basket foul number 9. Basket. Bawa sa isa ang kalamangan. Number 26. Setting up play. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Binigay number 6, pass to number 23. Number 23, binigay number 8. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 5, pass. Wala. Naribang number 30. Number 8, driving the ball. Laban kay number 8. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, pass to number 30. To number 22, wala. Nakuha number 20. Here comes number 20. Step through. Wala. Nakuha number 22. Number 22. Nakuha number 5. Number 5. Nakuha number 1. Eto na si number 1. Dire-diretso. Pass number 30. Number 30 fakes. Pass number 1.
3 seconds
Violation. Here comes number 26. From 77, pass to number 20. And there's a foul. Number 26, fakes. Listen up, basket. Layup para number 26, advanced substitution. Number 1, setting up play. Number 22, number 1, fires. Wala. Number 23, pass number 5, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Here comes number 26, pass number 26. Wala. Naribang number 12, number 7, basket. Pass number 26. Wala. Nakuha number 30. Official score 74-69 in favor of Progress. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, Pinasa. Tumira. Wala. Offensive rebound number 7, Bars. Wala. Nakuha number 20. Here comes number 20. Durais. Traveling violation.
Imagine boy!
Number 1, dribbling the ball. Setting up play, pass to number 8. Here comes number 8, pass to number 13. Number 8, step up, fires. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 22. Number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. 4. Pass to number 11 to number 1. Number 1 will make out 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by number
Apply na si
23.
Matic.
Number 30. Huminto. Pinasa number 1.
Backward.
Backward by number 77. Number 77 pass to number 5. Basket. Official
General
score
jump shot.
69 in favor of Fortress. 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Medyo nalayo na ang Tres. Nakakolaps yata ang
Pass
dos.
number 11. Number 11. Wala.
Yun, nakabawi.
Basket. Number 22.
5-5. Ito, pinakamalaking lamangan.
Number 5, the right steer drop. Nakuha niya. Wala. Nakuha ni number 22 with the defensive rebound. Here comes number 8.
Uy, favorite. Naku, sayang ang assist.
Naribang ni number 8 with the offensive rebound. Number 8 fakes 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1 pass number 8 fires.
Ilang foul. Kanila pa rin.
And there's a foul. Foul number 2. Basket. Number 6 setting up play. Pass number 26 fires. 30 points. Number 1. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1 sumukot and there's a foul. Foul.
Ang mo lang hawak. Walang hawak. Ay, bandi pala. Hindi, bigyan mo.
Pass number 8, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, pass number 22. Okay. Jump ball. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 6, setting up play. Pass number 23. Number 23, grab, drives, basket.
Unti-unti na nakakolaps. 10
Official
puntos.
score 81-72.
Lumalayo na, siyam na. Pinakamalaking lamang ng
15
Tres.
seconds to shoot. Pass number 30 to right. Foul. Basket.
Nalaban pa, nalaban. 8. Babasa
Basket
ito.
ahead. Number 6, pass number 77, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 6, pass number 23, bounce, spin, and there's a foul. In favor of Fortress. Wala, naribaw ni number 30. Number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 1. Drives. Pass. 10. Wala. Naribaw ni number 23. Wendang Yama. Laban kay Wendang Yama. Number 20. Basket. Number 1. Drives. And
Kinisig na si Jimboy. Kulang sa kain ng saging. Magkakain kasi ng saging, hindi kisigin.
Jimboy. Okay lang yan. May 140 ka naman.
Sala.
wala. Nakakuha na natin 22. Nice steal. Nakakuha na natin number 22.
Paulo.
Pass number 1. Nakakuha na number 23. Pinasa ka number 26. Number 26. Setting up play. Pass number 5. Pass number 77. Fakes. Reverse.
Uy,
Basket.
Minutes bet.
Number 8. Pass number 30.
Wala. Terry
Pinasa
Cantos.
number 22. Teardrop. Wala. Offensive player number 22. Basket.
Hindi pa tapos. 2 minutes 16 seconds.
Meron, okay na ba mata mo?
Foul. Number 5, pass to number 6, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 77, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 77, pass to number 23, number 5, bola. Number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 5, drives. Wala, nakuha number 16. Number 16, kalabas ang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 23.
Buntik pa.
Nakuha ni number 1. Diretso. Pass to number 10. Green drop. Wala. Nakuha number 23. Number 23.
Putik. Ayan.
Offensive foul.
Winasiyo sa
Offensive foul
bawal.
number 23. Pass to number 13. Basket.
Pito.
Pass replay number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 77. Drive. Basket. Official score 87-78. 1 minute and 15 on the fourth quarter. Number 8. Pass to number 30. Pull up jumper. Wala. Naribawin number 77. Remaining time. Last 1 minute. Number 16, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 26. Icing number 22. Number 8, ready, Reggio. Pass to number 30. Wala. Naribawin number 5. Pass to number 77.
Wala.
Basket.
Tres na to.
35 seconds remaining time.
Collapse din ang
Number
dos.
1, Pinasa. May number 10. Wala. Nakuha number 30. Pass number 8. Number 22. Basket. Foul. Personal foul penalty.
9-0 na nga eh.
1-0 nga yung shoot.
Basket.
Oh, 0-0 na, 0-0. Tumama pa nga sa ending.
20 seconds. Remaining time.
1-0, 0-0.
Hindi, anong tama ko eh. 0-2. 0-2 ako eh.
Uy, kalo. 0-0. Titripon siya.
Pull up. Wala.
Ayan na.
22. Basket. 11 seconds.
Papaul pa yan. Foul. Short.
Huwag ka din mga nariyakan. Nandito ka lang ng panalo ko sa Andy. But,
Natalo pa.
3 points.
Natalo pa sa ending.
4
0-5.
seconds.
5 na lang, oh. Final score.
Head of the ball game.
90-85.
Winner. Puro
Panalo
Tres.
ang Purok Tres. Congrats sa Tres. Wala pa rin talo. Kaya Pedek ba man na humandel?
Picture na
Sige.
po, picture.
Alamat na coach ng Alulud. Kuya Pedek. Best player para nakaraan. 50 years old na, nagbe-best player pa. Ikaw na. Okay na.